In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Go High Level. Whether you're managing a team or adding a colleague, setting up new user accounts allows for better collaboration and shared access within your Go High Level platform. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring a smooth setup. First, let's open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once you have it open, head over to the address bar and type Go High Level. You'll want to look for the official website in the search results, so click on www.gohighlevel.com to navigate to their homepage. Now that we're at the Go High Level homepage, it's time to log in. Go ahead and enter your credentials if you haven't automatically been logged in. This will take us to the main dashboard area of your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a settings icon, which typically looks like a gear. Clicking this icon will open up a menu. From the menu, you'll need to select My Staff. This option is where we'll manage all user accounts on the platform. Next, if you're in what's known as the agency view, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add User. This is the button you'll click to begin adding your new user. Alternatively, if you're in the sub-account view, you'll want to click Add Employee. Both options essentially lead you to adding new users. They just differ based on the view you're currently in. At this point, you'll be prompted to input some basic information for the new user. Enter their first name, last name, email, and phone number. It's also important to set a password for their account. This password will allow them to access the system under their new user profile. So make sure it's secure and share it securely with the new user if needed. The next step is to configure their access and permissions. You can specify the user type and role, assign them to the correct sub-accounts, and determine which features they should have permissions for. Make sure you assign the privileges that align with their role in your organization to provide them with the appropriate access level. Finally, after carefully entering all the necessary information and configuring the appropriate settings, ensure to save the new user's information. Click the Save button, concluding the process and granting them access to the platform. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new user to your Go High Level account. Adjustments can always be made later if their roles or permissions need updating. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.